Something very special got here today. My Drift HQ. Can you guess what it is? Probably yes. There's in the description, huh? Check it out. I got the adapter from the Drift HQ guys. That's the first time I buy with them, but man, I'm very happy. It was so quick, and they have everything. He showed me the BMW that he has converted, which is a badass BMW, so that made me confident that I could buy the parts from him. Alright. Woo. So nice. Oh wow. Let's open this. So he sent me a few stickers. Wow, pretty cool. Keychain. Check it out. Drift HQ. Thank you guys. A few more stickers, card. So if you want to get it, drifthq.com. It got here pretty quick. And what is that? Oh, it's to put on your phone. So you put on the back of your phone, and so you can hold it better. Super cool. Alright. So we have the Flywheel. Dude, this is not heavy at all. I've seen the other Flywheel. I don't remember the brand. It was massive. It was like solid. And I mean, don't get me wrong, this is heavy, but look, I can hold it with one hand, so it's not that heavy. So we have that, and I'm holding like this, and then I realized that it's made out of something that I shouldn't hold. No, I'm just kidding. This is aluminum. So that goes in there. Wow. This is beautiful. This is what makes everything possible. It's a PCM Motorsport adapter. I don't know how to use it yet, but this says 2JZ here. So I guess this side goes to 2JZ. Probably this goes to the BMW, so it goes like that. I can't test it because we have the it's on the engine. Dang! The engine holder. It's not on the lift, so the back side has bolts in it. So definitely you can't do it. Nice. This is gonna be good. It's thicker than I expected. And here it says M20, M50, M52. It doesn't say M54, but it's for the JZ transmission, so I guess it is correct. I gotta think it is. Oh, and I think there is some hardware. Let's put back in here. There you go. So the bolts are in here. So if you are about to convert your 2JZ into a ZF transmission, that's it. You get all this hardware. Dang, there's a lot of money just in hardware here. Ooh, what is that thing? What is this thing here? I guess we'll learn. And there's a spacer here too. Not quite sure. So there are bolts, spacers, and some other stuff. Yeah, dude, it's awesome. So this goes on my engine. It's not gonna go tonight, but I am going to remove what I have on my engine. He told me that I need the pressure plate from BMW M3. They have there, and I just didn't get it because mine is super new, and I was like, okay, can I use mine? And so I'm gonna try to use mine here and see if the dowel pins align, and if align, it's great. Then I'm gonna try to use. I just need to buy new clutch, the clutch plate, the friction disc, however that thing's called. That's the clutch. Buy a new one and hope that the new one is not organic. I think mine is organic, to be honest, and he said that organic won't last anything. So yeah, I need that to last. I don't want to go to any event and have my clutch going again. So yeah, so I'm super happy. Last night I think I unplugged everything, fuel line, the master cylinder, well, and anything else I could find that was attached from the engine to the car somewhere. I need to get the throttle cable today, and then the engine is ready to go out. So yeah, we might do that tonight. Video is gonna come back later, but probably I'll put on the YouTube community faster. But yeah, that's it from today. I just want to show you guys how this beauty looks, and thank the guys from Drift HQ to send to me like very quickly. Guy was super nice. I was chatting with him for probably 2 hours so he could explain to me, and you know, at the end of the day I felt so secure. He sent me pictures of his car, so if you talk to them, ask pictures from the green BMW. Is a badass car. All right, check out my website. Do not forget to subscribe. That's the best. And you also can follow my progress. You can give me your opinion, like, share, comment, and I'll see you on the next video.
Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's. 20 miles.